Yeah, hello guys, Clinton here. Welcome to the channel. If you're a crypto lover and you love crypto updates and stuff like that, knowing things that are possible in the crypto space, you're in the right channel. All right, for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually connect your DeFi wallet to your Binance account. I'm just going to go into this without wasting much of your time. All right, so now we are in the Binance application. So all you have to do now is just to go over to this part that says wallet and go over to DeFi. We can actually be making use of some wallets that actually support the Binance Smart Chain. And some example of those are like the Trust Wallet and your MetaMask and your Mat Wallet, your SafePal, and other. There are a lot of them actually. All right, so for me, I'm going to be making use of my Trust Wallet. I'm just going to go ahead and click on import, and I can actually import, and I'll click on import from the recovery phase. Okay, once I'm here, and after inputting my recovery phase, it's going to tell me successful. All right, now, so I have successfully imported my Trust Wallet into this Binance DeFi wallet. So there are some cool stuff I can actually do with this. I can transfer my funds from my Binance account directly into the my Trust Wallet. Okay, so I can just click on transfer. I can just select Binance. Okay, I'm going to make sure it's going to be from Binance wallet to DeFi wallet. And from here, I can just from here, I can click on only show BNB smart chain supported asset. That's what I should, I can actually select that, or I can actually not, I can actually show other ones, but this is where it's meant to be on, and I can just leave it on BNB. For instance, I want to send BNB, I can just click on next, and it's going to show me that I should actually add a withdrawal address to this place. Okay, so if you want to add the withdrawal address, just go ahead and click on add, and once I click on add, it's going to take me over to this page. I should just paste the address there, make sure it's on BNB smart chain, and the origin should be Trust Wallet or any other wallet. Okay, these are actually the wallets that that are supported here. You can see the list here. For my case, it's Trust Wallet, but in your case, it could be MetaMask, Exodus, or Mat Wallet, or the SafePal. All right, so after you've done that, just make sure that you check this place that says add to whitelist, or else you have to go through this process again. So that's just everything. I'm going to cancel the withdrawal here, and you can actually be sending from your DeFi wallet to your Binance wallet. For instance, I want to send BNB. I'm going to max it out, and from here you can see the fee. Approximately $1 is the fee. Sorry, I said $1. 1 PHP, 0.000105 BNB. So once I actually click on transfer, the token is going to go from my Binance. It's going to go from my DeFi wallet to my Binance wallet. Once I click on transfer, this is what it's going to show me, and I can actually just confirm the transfer, but I don't want to make this transfer right now, so I'm going to just cancel that. Okay guys, so this is everything about transferring from your Binance wallet to your DeFi wallet. So you can actually carry out some other action like connecting to the Pancake Swap. For you to be able to do this, just drag down, and you're going to go into the marketplace, and you can scroll down to where you see Pancake Swap here, and you can actually just open it up. Once you're here, if you are just using this for the first time, just click on connect, and automatically it's going to connect to your DeFi wallet. And from here, you can see at the top left here, you can see that place that says wallet. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to your DeFi wallet. Okay, let me just go back, and from here you can actually carry out some swap, or you can actually make use of this as though you are this is actually a D app that we are actually interacting with right from the Binance application. This is very cool, guys. Okay, so you can actually do things like liquidity pool, farming, and other pools. It's just basically how it's like. And from here you can see you can stake your cake for up to 59% APY. That's under the locked, but under the flexible it's just 2%. All right guys, this is just basically everything I want to show you guys under this topic. So guys, so if you want to disconnect your wallet, all you have to do is to click on the three dots on the top, click on settings. When you setting, click on reset wallet, and from here you click on reset my wallet. From here, all you have to do is to click on reset wallet, and then that's just it. You have to reconnect your wallet from the beginning if you want to join this again. So guys, if you find this video helpful, or you learned one or two things from here, go ahead, give this video a like for the YouTube algorithm, and you can actually consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate any of this. And you can also go ahead and drop you can just drop a comment telling me what next you want to see me do on this channel and stuff like that. Okay guys, have a great day and see you guys on my next video. Peace out.